Check sound. Check. Testing mic sound. Okay. Good morning. Wow, good morning, guys. Since nagyan na naton si session 18, 20, sorry, 18, 19, 20, tama? Kay gin-quiz ta na, tapos gin-quiz ko na, tapos gin-explain lesson ko man diretso kita sa session 21. Tama kay tatlo to siya tatlo ka subject ang quiz ko ata. Ah, sige, that's session 21 which is the nervous system. Guys, gamay lang gid siyang topic. Amo lang ni siya biang sa lecture kay gamay lang man siya pero sila ang may PCCP. Very good. Okay. Sige, let's go. Dasig lang man. Common or concerning symptoms, guys. Amo na sila si headache, dizziness, vertigo, weakness, blah, blah, loss of sensation. Okay. Headache for headache, okay? Or cephalgia. Cephalgia is cephalo, head. Algia is pain, cephalgia or headache. For headache, as about onset location. Guys, old cart, best friend, yung ginaalin sa una, ginahamba ko, gina old cart lang na siya. Ask if the headache is affected by coughing, sneezing, or sudden movement of the head, which can increase intracranial pressure, ICP, intracranial pressure. Anong intracranial pressure? That's the pressure sa sulod sang imo skull. Okay, intracranial pressure. Kaya nga, ang utok mo, ay very good kita. Ang utok mo gamo ni siya, di ba? O galutaw na siya sulod, galutaw. Sa din siya galutaw sa sulod. Anong kapalutaw siya? Si intracranial pressure. Intracranial pressure, wait, intra, kaya lang bla, fluid, CSF, sorry, si CSF, Ah, cerebro spinal. Ara siya, cerebrospinal fluid. Clear colorless fluid that surrounds the brain. Ara siya namin ko. Okay? 22. Intracranial pressure. Ari, search na lang. Ari sa intracranial pressure. Cerebrospinal fluids na. Amo magyapon, cerebrospinal fluid, blah, blah, blah. Amo na siya, gin-connect ko lang. Okay? Next, sa barak na hemorrhage, may present worse headache of my life, severe headache in meningitis, okay? Dull headache affected by the actions listed, okay? Anong actions na? Especially in the same location, mass lesions such brain tumor or abscess, okay? Sorry. Yan ta. Dizziness or vertigo. Guys, tandaan na two most common symptoms in neurologic disorders are headache and dizziness. Basi magwa sa quiz or sa PCCP, something, basi question. Okay, headache and dizziness. Common lang man, either sila. Okay, dizziness, complete dizziness can have many meanings. Okay, you will need to elicit exactly what the patient experience, lightheadedness, okay, palpitation, syncope, vasovagal, stimulation, low blood pressure, febrile illness, ang ilanat, vertigo, okay, diplopia, dysarthria, ataxia, and vertebrobasilar ischemic attack, TIA, transient ischemic attack, or stroke, okay, TIA or stroke. Weakness, okay, plangluya, okay, what about any weakness, either generalized or face or part of the or in the face, part of the weakness is another common symptoms and requires careful attention to detail, guys, nga weakness kapag hina, igo si nervous system, okay. Probe for exactly what it means to the patient. Okay, explore whether there is paralysis or inability to move a part of the side of the body. Amo na nga mangkoton yung gid nung aga panghina kay base paralisado. Okay, weakness or paralysis in TIA or stroke. Okay, amo na ginagyan na bago lang TIA or stroke. Kasi syempre kung manghina siya or paralisado, chance nga base stroke. Focal weakness, vascular, blah blah. Types of stroke, guys, read lang ni. Okay, strokes. You like finding vascular territory, additional comments. Okay. For weakness without lightheadedness, try to distinguish between proximal and distal. Proximal, di ba lapit? Distal, layo. Okay, kay distance, distansya, layo. Bilateral proximal weakness and myopathy. Bilateral predominantly distal weakness and polyneuropathy. Weakness made worse with repeated effort and improved with suggest myasthenia gravis. Anong MG? Anong myasthenia gravis? Guys, amo na ko nung sakit ni Duterte. Charot. Pero amo na ko nung sa pagkabati ko, amo ng sakit ni Duterte. Anong Sorry. Ano ang myasthenia gravis or MG? Myasthenia gravis is weakness. Okay, weakness in muscles. Kaso, ang question, weakness in muscles, is sir makapatay ang myasthenia gravis? Answer is yes. Kaya di ba ang lungs naton muscle man na. Okay, so kung manghina ang muscle weakness, mahina man ang lungs, hindi ka ginahawa, dedels, okay? Loss of sensation, find out if the patient has any loss of sensation, as if there is any numbness. Gabalik mo lang na siya gyapon, guys, numbness, weakness, okay? Peculiar sensations without an obvious stimulus, paresthesias, okay? These only occur commonly when the arm or leg goes to sleep. Hindi mahulag or wala siya sang feeling or hindi mo siya numb. Okay, numb na. Okay. Dysesthesias, the sort of sensations response to stimulus may last longer than the stimulus itself. Wow, for example, person may perceive a light touch or pinprick as a burning or tingling sensation that is irritating or unpleasant. Pain, okay, bala nyo ng pain, loss of sensation. Ari, loss of consciousness or fainting. Ano ang fainting? Nagamuna ablaw art na sir fainting. Chat. Fainting, lipong. Okay, have you ever fainted or passed out? Okay, leads the discussion to any loss of consciousness. Begin by exploring that the patient means by loss of consciousness. Did the patient black out completely? Okay guys, mabalik gid gyapon sa old cart. Manguton mo gid siya gyapon sang san-o mo ni nabatyagan sang san-o sang san-o ka nalipong. Okay, anong ginobra mo before nalipong ka? Mga muna guys, magwa gid sa PCCP kay may interview ka mo plus may ret dem. So you have to be familiar with it. Okay? Our advices be heard throughout the episode, blah blah blah. Okay, be sure to use descriptive terms carefully and wisely. Okay? Syncope is a sudden but temporary loss of consciousness and postural tone that occurs with decreased blood flow to the brain. Okay? Nag-decrease ang blood flow sa brain. That's why may syncope. Kasi syempre kung wala gawas ang blood flow sa brain, hindi siya maka-work mayo, manghina siya, malipong ka. Okay? Dilibot lang na da. Commonly described as fainting. Okay? Gapaminta. Fainting. Symptoms of feeling faint, lightheaded, or weak, but without the actual loss of consciousness are called near syncope and pre-syncope. Magkapata, near syncope, di ba wala pa nalipong, lapit na lang, and pre-syncope before malipong. Okay? Amo nang feeling mo, ay dumalipong ko. Bla. That's called pre-syncope. Okay? Hindi ka magamba nga dumalipong ko. Hindi, sabton mo nga, I'm having a pre-syncope right now. Wow, alam. Okay, alam yarn. Okay. Pre-syncope episodes. Young people with emotional stress, warning symptoms, flushing, nausea may have vasodepressor, vasovagal, syncope of slow onset, slow offset. Cardiac syncope for arrhythmias more common in older patients, blah, blah. Okay, seizure. Seizure is a paroxysmal disorder caused by sudden excessive electrical discharge in the cerebral cortex or its underlying structure. Seizures can be of several types. Okay, lain-lain ang seizure. May grand mal, may tonic-clonic, pero padalman ta lang na siya sa sunod. Okay? Seizures, kita niyo, ano gani, sa iligay ng seizures man, gin kuyap. Amo gin man na. Basta naggulpi lang tumba, tapos nagkurog-kurog, okay? That's your seizure, okay? Nagka-excessive electrical discharge sa cerebral cortex, okay? With some types of seizures, there may be abnormal feelings, thought process, sensations, including smells. Guys, ari siya. Okay? Ari, ang sensations including smells. Guys, ang smells nga ni nga ginatawag, that's called your aura. Aura bala. Okay, before na sila, 'di ba? Kung mangutom na sila before sila makuyap, no, before sila i-attack yung seizure, may masimutan na sila. Amuna na ang sign nga makurog nga ma-seizure sila. That's called your aura. Okay? As well as abnormal movements, asking have you ever had seizure spells, any fits or convulsions. Okay, question. Tonic-clonic motor activity, bladder or bowel incontinence, post-ictal state, suggest a general seizure, unlike syncope, injuries such as tongue biting or bruising of limbs may occur. Okay. Kasi syempre gulpi lang mo. Amo na nga nga makagat nila ila dila bla kasi syempre kung pagtumba nila amo na usually mga ga seizure bla pilas ila dila ga ka lagob sila kay gulpi lang sila tumba. Okay. So amo na ka dapat safe permi ila palibot may bantay gid sila. Okay. Tremors and other involuntary movements occur with or without additional neurologic manifestations as about any trembling. Okay, tremble, kurog-kurog lang. Shakiness or body movements that the patient seems unable to control. Distinct from these symptoms is an almost indescribable restlessness of legs. The other restlessness is accompanied by an urge to move about. Walking gives relief. Okay.